Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we are explore how to create a layered team member showcase using custom shapes in Photoshop. Now I open Photoshop and set a wide canvas to feature multiple team members clearly. First I select the custom shape tool and draw rounded rectangles as the base for each profile. Then I duplicate them, slightly move duplicates backward, and darken for depth. After that I add circular custom shapes for profile photos at the top of each card. Now I insert thin rectangles inside for names, positions, and social handles. Next I carefully space all cards evenly to maintain readability. Then I zoom in and refine edges for smoothness and modern aesthetics. After this I apply subtle shadows to lift each card.